together with his handler, Kuya Alan. Be careful po ang nasa baba o baka mahulugan kayo dyan ng grasya. Naku, hapon na. And together with his once again, Bill. Bill here is a hornbill. It is local name, Kalaw. And we call this bird a hornbill because of its large and heavy bill. Nakikita nyo, no? Napakalaki at napakabigat na bill. Here in the Philippines, we have 10 types of hornbills. But I'm sorry to inform you, 5 of them are critically endangered. 5 na lang po yung natitira sa lahi nila and they are calling for conservation. Here in the Crocodile Park, meron po tayong 3 types of hornbills. Kapag nagawi kayo and aside, at dyan po yung mga hornbills natin. We have 3 types of hornbills here. We have Taritik hornbill, found in Mindanao, as well as our Mindanao wreathed hornbill. And the hornbill in front of you now is our Philippine great Rufous hornbill with a scientific name Buceros hydrocorax, and they're endemic in Luzon. And guys, one of the behavior back in the wild, we will gonna show you this afternoon. At para gawin yan, para mas magiging masaya, we need 4 adult volunteers. So we need 2 males and 2 females. Come on. How about you, sir? Please come inside. Okay, one more. One more male. How about you, ma'am? Wearing that blue t-shirt. Adita ka. Okay, one more. How about you, sir? Wearing the yellow polo shirt. Adita. One more female. Yes, ma'am. How about you? And naka-green. Adita pa. For those mga volunteers na tinawag ko, please, pasok. Please, sir, come here. Ayan, dito po. Interviewin ko. Kinabahan na si ma'am. O, interview portion muna tayo. Yes, sir. Oh, while waiting for, yes, ma'am. Oh, while waiting for ma'am. Yes, sir, your name.
Kunyang.